Hi guys, it's boom 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 cookie. It's me. Today I'm gonna make some slime. I made some. This is sticky dough. So this is pokey. Here, you guys want to poke it? Poke it. I poked it too. So sticky dough, right? Stick to your finger. So I have more slime ingredient. Well, not really. I have two colors, and this is like the slime cake. Comment down below if you guys got one of these for Christmas or something, because I did. And I put baking soda in it to make it have a stretch. Did you see that stretch? Yeah, I did. I'm not doing some ASMR today, because I could do different things. Gosh, videos. I'm gonna make like a story. Cause I have my husband. It's gonna go back to my dad on tomorrow. And I'm gonna change. So I was gonna tap it though. What color is this though? It's washable, it's safe, it's non-toxic. See? Should I just do this, or should I just untwist it? I'm gonna untwist it. I don't even care what you guys say in the comments. And I got some. So I got some magical liquid. I got 2. And I got the pink that I was making, you guys saw. Ooh, this looks good. I'm not making a whole bunch because, yeah. Oops, the magical liquid. I'm gonna use the rest of what Oh, yeah, I have enough. Just have to put a little bit. Here, you guys wanna watch? Wait a second. I'm gonna use this as a holder. So if you guys see this weird, click out the video if you think it's weird. Because maybe you guys are weird in life. All people are weird in life. And you guys cannot judge that. So, yeah. I'm trying to find something. Anyway, so. Lily. It's really strong. Wait. Is that good? Yeah, I think it is. I have to move my chair. Okay.
But no, this is a new thing? Like, oh, I didn't know that.
Little. At a time. It's like glistery. Whatever you guys call that stuff. Now I'm mixing the pink and the blue together. Let's go cover it. I need some more. Okay. I did like 2 scoops. This looks so small. Okay. think
You would? Are you for real?
that's my mom in the background. By the way, if you guys see her talking, that I talked to her. I think her boyfriend. With a lot. Look, guys, I put a lot. Too much in my. I think I should just, if this doesn't work out, I'm throwing it away and then starting all over. Like I did with that one, because I throw it away. So, should I just let it sit in there until you guys freeze? Make sure to like, comment, and make sure to put a cookie on the comment. A like on the comment, and subscribe for the cookies. And comment if you like, what kind of cookies do you guys like? Oreos, chocolate chip cookie, wafers. Mommy, are wafers a cookie?
Yes.
Okay, wafers. You know, I don't want to waste my time on this video, so I'm not gonna say all of them. And that's just gonna be keeping up the space. Make sure, like, I'm gonna sell some of these slimes. Well, are good. Or you guys can make them better. You guys can do a challenge. If you guys have a YouTube channel, well, of course you do. Then you guys want to subscribe. Wait, is there a different way to subscribe? I'm so close to you guys. Sorry. You guys know I'm so close. Oh. Okay. Guys, comment if this was a total fail. I think it was.
Is she still talking about moving out of town though?
Yeah. Scoop all of it.
These things that you need to know.
Starting all over. This time I'm gonna put this in too.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I should.
You sure you ain't from the 𝓒𝓸𝓸𝓴𝓲𝓮 tribe? You tell me
Okay.
now.
Sometimes I got cotton candy one after this, if I can. I use more. That's too much.
You ever been praying?
pink one leaving. All this pink stuff is leaving. I need to throw some of that pink stuff out because there's too much in my slime. Guys. Guys, my phone's about to die. It's at 10%. I'm serious. I'm not trying to like close the video. I'm serious. I might do like lots of episodes like every day, but not at 8:30 or so. They're 9. But only if you guys stay up at night, then you guys will be watching some of my videos. Because I got really cool videos for you guys. Like what I was planning. Here, let's start with the pink. I think the pink one's more stronger than the... Or there's gonna be blue anyway. So let's do... Here, do you need some help? Because I will help. Now to add some blue.
It sounds like even before this, it sounds like for many years, this is how it's been. Even if you guys got married, like this is the way that it's been. For whatever reason, you are doing blah blah blah, and you were doing your thing, whatever that was, blah blah blah, and
Baby, don't want to go when I lose control. But I don't see what color it will make. Oh, it's actually forming. Oh yeah, from the glycerin. Baby, don't want to go when I lose control. Da-na-na, da-na-na, da-na-na. I need. Baby, don't want to go. I think it's gonna turn purple. It turned purple, guys. Like kind of like a pinkish, bluish, purplish. See? Let's see what percent my phone's at.